Fucking here we go, boys. Fuck. I'll tell you guys right away how to fix a fucking doorknob. If it's come off its fucking hinges here. If you're as lucky as I am, the fucking doorknob has popped right off, right? Busted right off. I was trying to get in here, right? Fucking thing broke off. I don't know what the fuck happened, but it just like popped off, busted inside, and fucking broke, right? So fuck. But anyways, I'm making a really quick video on how to fix the fucking doorknob, right? What you're gonna need for this project is a Phillips screwdriver. We gotta fucking get her going. So we got her turning, right? And get these fucking screws out right away. Well, fuck, here we go, boys. Almost got her done. It's fucking tough. Fuck, let's get her going. Okay, two screws are out. There you go. And yeah, so then you can take the front piece off. Sometimes this takes a fucking second, but you pop that out. So this is the one I picked up at Home Depot, right? That's the Defent fucking hauling closet. Not really that big of a deal, but fuck. Gallo collection, stainless steel finish, 4-way latch. Not a bad, real cheap. Put me back like, what, fucking 13 bucks, not bad. See what we're fucking dealing with here, boys. That shit there, that looks pretty good. If you're eating on the go, you just gotta let her know. Okay, so you want to put that forward so the door can slide. I probably have to chip in a fucking damn. Well, fuck, running out of battery right now, so I'll be back as soon as we get some more battery. I'll get some tools so I can chisel that out real quick so I can get a nice fit and whatnot, and that'll work just fine. So I'll be back. Okay, fuck, we're back. Let's get her going. Fucking see what we got dealing with here. So we're gonna need to quickly do a quick trace here. So now we're just gonna quickly fucking chisel this out. So fuck, let's see how that's fucking fitting. Yeah. So she needs to be chiseled back a little bit more. Well, fuck, she just needs to be chiseled back a little bit more, you know? Fuck, man. Just chisel her up. Well, we're getting close. Shit, fucking chisel, here we go, boys. Shit. Alright. See how that worked. Well, it's fucking almost there. That's definitely what's fucking cocking over the program right now. It's fucker right there. Fuck yeah. Well, now I've done it, eh? Well, what I did is officially lock myself in the room, right? Hopefully I can get ourselves back out. Alright, well, let's see what else comes with the package here. Let's see what else comes with the package deal. What do we got? Well, we're going to drive in a few screws. I'll go get the fucking drill. Got myself Phillips bit. Not the right size, obviously. Fucking stripping her. Oh, fuck you. That's one. Oh, that's two. This can go through there like that. We're gonna put that right through. That's through. We're gonna line up these fucking holes so that she's gonna line up with the screws, right? And then we're gonna fucking pound these guys back in. Shit. Do it as fast as you can. Finish off the last bit of my chicken. Oh, since those guys are started, we're gonna just pop in the old screw. See how far we can get with the fucking screwdriver. Pretty quick. Okay. And just like that, you fucking installed your first doorknob. Yeah, she works like a beauty now. Opens, closes, that's all you need. Thanks for watching. Until next time.